This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for October 11th, 2022. It's currently August 24th, 2022, 11:02 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior, there's a notable reversal. This will stand out on a multi-day chart. This is a pivot point here of some sorts. The behavior around the high, there's a notable rally moving into the high that marks an opportunity to open up a short position. From the high, we see a decline to and through a support level, followed by a reversal back to reuse that support level as support. Behavior around the low, we have a move out of the low to turn a resistance level into support. However, it's nullified somehow here. Nullifieds are tricky at times, so we'll have to get into that a little bit more. I'm advised to be very cautious about trading on the day of the 11th. I generally steer clear of trading when I see the prudence card when I can. I believe this is still Mercury retrograde, so I wouldn't be trading anyways. But the trade opportunity is near the high, and I'm advised to be cautious around the high and around the trade opportunity. There may be multiple false highs or something like that. Behavior in the pre-market, we have a decline that increases with momentum moving into the open. At the open, we have a period of volatility, or right around the open, we have a period of volatility that ends with a fast sudden move to the upside. And then it looks like there's also, from that fast sudden move to the upside, it appears there's a decline that commences off of a high in that first half hour. So there's a notable high here. Usually you see the indolence card when you fall from a high you won't see again, but I've noticed that it's been changing quite a bit, and it's more so like there's a high here, but it's visited very quickly and it disappears rather fast. All right, so between like 10 and 11ish, there's a notable decline off of that high, maybe even sooner than that because it's a quick high. But then between roughly 11 and 12, we have another move to the upside. It'll stand out on a one-day chart. It's a prominent move to the upside, to another day's high and a trade opportunity there again. That high doesn't last long at all. There's a decline to and through support level, and then a reversal back to reuse that support level as support. Out of oversold territory, there's a big move here. Yeah, so that rally between roughly 11 and 1 o'clock, it's a notable move to the upside, a notable move, but it's going to really stand out around the 12 to 1 o'clock mark. But it's not going to last. The rally won't last, so be advised of that. And they're selling from near oversold territory on RSI between roughly 1 and 2. Some more moving to the upside, attempting to establish support between roughly 2 and 3. It looks like likely at a higher level, like a higher support. There's also another high or prominent crest here at the end of the day. It looks like it may very well be the day's high here at the end of the day. In the midst of this, and from that high we have some volatility with a sharp dip that'll stand out on a one-day chart. In the midst of that volatility, at the close, there's an important price level that's highlighted as resistance. At the close and into the post market, and that price level, we'll know that price level as resistance. Volume will kind of dissipate around this price level. Sneak preview for the following day, for the 12th. Erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level, revisiting a crest that was recently a past opportunity. And that's the S&P 500 for October 11, 2022. Let me know what you think by hitting this like button. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends. If you've made some money from this reading, karma, the rule of karma, my friends, take a little bit of that and pay it forward, just like we paid this video forward. Pay a little bit of that profit forward. Keep the flow going, my friends. Take a little bit of that profit and send it back to Approveb's Cash App. Help out the team, show some love, show some support, keep us eating. We really don't do much trading so that we can stay non-biased. And then with the 90% you got left over, do what you got to do. Just make sure you do it out of love. Don't cop out. Don't psych yourself out of fear. Convince yourself you got to do something other than the right thing to do. Do the right thing, my friends, and the universe will shower you with gifts and bestow upon you tenfold that which you've given out from all directions. And I'll see you on the next one, my friends. Oh, hit that, use that referral link that we have in the comments for Webull. Webull's way better than Robinhood. We both get free stocks. I'll see you later.